Sir, update ko lang yung kaya sa may area po ng Ortigas. Kasi ito yung mga nagiging problema natin. Although sa basura po walang problema sa Kaytay. Malinis na malinis. Nalito mga nagkakalkal yung nagbabasurero po. Ano po nangyari doon, sir?
Hindi, yung situation kasi doon, every time I pass that area, there's this compound kasi na pinaparadahan ng mga truck ng basura ng kabilang LGU. And then, I don't know how these people manage to go inside that compound. Nilalabas nila yung basura and then start parang picking what is sellable and then leaving all the trash dun sa bangketa for us to clean up every day. So parang sabi ko, parang ilang beses na sinaway, ilang beses na silang sinita about it, but they still do it, no? So, nung Sunday, I passed that area, I saw them again. Yung iba nagsusunog pa doon ng area, whatever it is na sinusunog nila just to generate materials na pwede benta. Sabi ko, kunin na natin sila at malaman nila talaga that we're serious about enforcing yung cleanliness sa lugar. Otherwise, sabi ko, the image would be parang wala ng order sa lugar na anyone who passes there, they would anticipate that there would be this bunch of trash and debris na nakamix dyan na doesn't really speak well of our town. So we might have to put some order in the area. And sabi ko nga, I tried to provide them an alternative na the moment that they get out of the cell, punta sila sa akin para mabigyan ko sila ng trabaho. Na ironically, sila yung manghuhuli ng mga gumagawa ng ginagawa nila dahil alam naman nila kung paano ang modus doon. I'm still expecting them anytime now to show up if they're interested to get the proposal, pumayag sila to agree on the proposal para they can start working now legally. Yun lang naman, it's actually parang a message that we're trying to bring across sa mga tao. Let's put some order sa bayan natin. I've been trying very hard, doing everything I can para maging maayos, malinis, at isang lugar na pwede nyo pagmalaki ang Cainta. But I cannot do it alone. I need the cooperation of everyone, lahat ng stakeholders dito. That's the only way that we can achieve yung goals natin, na maging isa sa pinakamaayos, malinis na bayan ng Cainta if everyone would start cooperating.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Tim.
Salamat din at Salporte.